Remember these? It's a blast from the past. 90s hair is back, baby, and the claw clip is trending like I have never seen the claw clip trend before. I am an 86 baby and the 90s is totally my vibe. It was a stage in my life where I discovered the joy of doing my own hair, and I became completely and totally obsessed with doing my own hair. Butterfly clips, claw clips, little elastics, hair jewels. I freaking loved it all. Now, what some of you don't know about me is that I actually have really textured hair. Surprise! I am making a video about how I diffuse and style my natural texture next week. So if you're curious, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you are the first person to know when it is online. Today I'm going to show you claw clip ideas on textured hair and on straight hair so that we can compare how very different it looks, and so that people with more hair textures can also be a part of this conversation. Let's go. Claw clips come in several shapes, colors, and sizes if you didn't know. These ones I purchased at Walmart, and these ones I purchased on Amazon. As always, I will leave purchase links in the description box below in case you're interested in buying them. In this first look, I am just going to bring the top of my hair back, leaving the hair around my ears softly down, and I'm going to pull out some curls at the front for framing and clip the back with a teeny tiny claw clip. This is the exact same look on straight hair. When my hair is this texture, I like pinching out the crown for volume and leaving some face framing out. I get asked a lot of questions about my haircut. I have a blunt, long bob with no layers and some curtain bangs that have grown out. So I basically have a jawline face framing layer at the front that I often leave out in hairstyles for softness, but I have no layers in the back or on the sides. Now, if you don't like having hair around your face, you can always tuck it back when you are doing this look or any other look for that matter. Do we like this better straight or curly? Leave me a comment because it's so fun for me to read your input and your opinions. This next look is very similar, but instead of having the ends facing down, we are going to twist the hair and face them up so that we have the ends showing up at the front. Now I'm getting real 90s on you guys. This look was everything. This look was everything. I'm going to show you how this looks on straight hair. On straight hair, you get this little floppy waterfall effect, and on curly hair, it kind of sticks up more and creates an illusion of more volume at the top of the head. You are going to notice in all of my videos really that I play around a lot with my hair part, and that is because the way that you part your hair will completely change your hairstyle and the way that your face looks. I did an entire video on that, so if you're interested, I will leave a link to that video in the pinned comment. I highly recommend watching that video if you are playing a lot with your hair, because knowing how to change your part will really give you so much more style flexibility and so many different looks than if you always leave your part in its natural position. What do you guys think for this look? Do you like it straight or curly? For look number 3, I'm going to show you a small alteration to look 2. What you're going to do here is the exact same steps as the previous one, but instead of leaving the ends out, you're going to twist and tuck the ends in. As you can see, I shifted my part over so that I get more volume and more swoop right up the front of my face. Here is the straight version. Straight or curly for look number 3? I'm counting on your comments, you guys. They make my day. Before we move on to some styles that are all up, I want to show you one last one that isn't as obvious. You can get these tiny claw clips and you can use them if you just want to softly get a bit of hair off your face, but you still want the hair to look predominantly down. This is a really good look if it's like a first wash day and your hair looks great and you blew it out and you don't want to ruin it, but you just want to take some of the hair away from your face. Like say you're really busy and you don't want the hair in your face, but you don't want to put your hair up because you don't want to ruin your blowout. Anyone? Can anyone relate to that? Can anyone relate to that, or is it just me? All you're going to do here is take some hair from the sides, twist it softly, and clip it back. How adorable is this style? I actually surprised myself as to how much I actually love this look. And of course, the exact same style can be done on straight hair. Let's move on to some updos with the claw clip. Let's switch it up so that straight hair is featured first. Because I'm a mom and I know we gotta keep it fair. For this look, I kind of want a vintage vibe. So I'm gonna middle part and end the middle part at the crown and brush the crown back. What I do here is I put my hair into a ponytail in in my hands, and then I twist it up and insert my claw clip, leaving the ends out and then pulling out the face frame. I pinch out texture at the crown again for height. I almost always pinch out texture when I'm doing any kind of updo on straight hair. Look at how cute and voluminous this looks without even backcombing at all. And here is the adorable curly version of this look. For look number 5, are we feeling the curly or are we feeling the straight? You can do the exact same look by tucking the ends into the clip so they don't stick out, and you can completely change the vibe of the style by changing your part. As you can see, this looks completely different even though it's essentially the same, just because my part moved from the middle to the side and because I tucked the ends in instead of leaving them out. And here it is curly. This next look is handy if you want to throw your hair in a ponytail, but you also want to take it out in a few hours without indenting it. For this particular look, I love having a heavier face frame out. Straight or curly, this is so cute and also just really convenient, ridiculously easy to do, and of course, damage free. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up so that I know to make more of them for you. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.